Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Glide & Go XR transfer system shown for use in a Class A motorhome, in this particular case, a Thor Hurricane. So the Glide & Go is a seated unit here that lifts you right up into the RV. You have a stepwell cover that will allow you to walk or transfer over this area here. So we're going to show you how this works, and please understand that there are other videos in the notes field down below. You'll want to check our YouTube channel under the Glide & Go XR playlist to learn a little bit more about other applications, in particular the technical aspect of the lift. So right now we're going to transfer into the seat. You've got a seat belt here. Connect the seat belt up. You've got a little Velcro pad typically for the controller. Now bear in mind, this is the stepwell cover. The typical stepwell cover is a removable stepwell cover. There are different options on your stepwell cover, and you'll want to check out the other videos that we have shown you to get more information on that. You'll see that this release mechanism right here has three different positions. Center, which allows it to rotate, up, which locks it, and down, which also locks it. So here we're going to put it in the rotate position, and right here you'll see that there is another release to allow you to rotate the seat, but that also locks so that when you get up here and you want to do your transfer, you're going to know that nothing's going to move when you push against it. Okay, when we get to the up position, we can adjust the height as we wish. We're in the full rotate. We're going to release this rotation right here. Move the unit right in. And, of course, lock the seat in place in both axes. There we go. Now Bonnie will be able to release the seat belt, stand, and go into her favorite position in the passenger front seat. Thank you so much for watching our video on the Glide & Go XR. We hope you enjoyed what you've seen. There are lots more videos in the notes field down below, so please check those out. You can contact us at www.accessunlimited.com. You can give us a call evenings and weekends at 615-873-0518. That's country code 1 Eastern Standard Time in the United States. Daytimes 8 to 5 Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. is 607-669-4822. Definitely like us on Facebook if you'd like to learn more about our company at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at accessun, Instagram Access Unlimited, and Pinterest Access Unlimited, 2 words. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about the Glide & Go XR. And we hope to hear from you soon. And most of all, we hope you have some nice, happy trails with your RV modified with an Access Unlimited accessibility product. Have a great day.